This 2024 Airstream Atlas 24 Mega Siemens Murphy Suite E1 is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 24 feet 9 inches in length and features a Tommy Bahama desert sand interior, sleeps 3, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, water heater, leveling jacks, awning, DVD player, external shower, air conditioning, stove-top burner, TV, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Airstream Atlas 24 Mega Siemens Murphy Suite E1 is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.